Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to generate speed trees for your iClone 8 3D animation software, the 3D scenes. Now you can see in my 3D scene here, I already create some speed tree, and for any time if I want to create more, I can just generate more speed trees just by using this way. And I can even create a forest. Now you can see it already become a forest. So how to generate the speed tree in iClone 8 3D animation software? Start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. If you not yet get the iClone 8 3D animation software, you can just go to freedom3d.net to get the iClone 8 software. And if you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings on 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. Alright, to start, first I'm going to just create a fresh new 3D scenes. And everything start from zero, from beginning. To create a speed tree, just go to create speed tree. Under the menu, you can see you have the broadleaf. Once you already get one, and go to the scene, it already selected. And here under the modify, you have start gardening. Now, under the start gardening, you can adjust the size, the number of trees. Now is 1. The size, that means the area, the number of trees that you want it to have, and the height variations. You can adjust at here the angle verification, the angle variations. Then you just need to click in that way and press escape. Now you can see you can create a forest immediately. So now I click start gardening again. I can just plant more in a widened area. Now you can see I have a lot of trees. At the same time, you can just create different trees. For example, the broadleaf, the maple. Let's say if I want to have maple, then click start gardening. This is maple trees. Create speed tree, sunflower or rough grass. You can create some rough grass as well. You can increase the number of grasses. Just create some grasses. Escape. Now you can see on the ground there are some grasses. It's really fast, really easy to design the outdoor environment just by using the speed tree. Create speed tree, sunflower. You can even create some sunflowers. Start gardening to make sure the size is smaller. Have some sunflower that mix into the grasses, and have a look now. You can see the sunflowers also in the scene already. If you try to play in the timeline, you can see all of the speed trees will have some motions, some wind animations, even included the flowers, etc. Some it may included some animations. Alright, this is really easy to design the floras in your 3D scenes. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to generate and create speed trees in your iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!